Okay, today I'm taking a look at the 600-pound office chair. It is fairly wide, so if you are a large boy, this is going to be the guy that you want. We are looking at about 23 inches and about 23 and a half from arm to arm. So if you're like me and you got a problem where when you try to sit in a regular sized chair, you end up sitting on top of the arms, this one is not going to be a problem for that. These arms are extendable. They are also the 5D armrests, so you can move those forward and backward. You can adjust the angle. You do also have this little pump. You will feel that on your back, so if you need more lumbar support, these armrests do fold up. So if you want to be able to work completely clear of those armrests, you can do that. Got a lot of really nice cushion on here, super thick cushion on the bottom, fairly standard lift mechanism. We do have our tilt tension, and if you want to lock that in place, you can just take this rod, push it in, or pull it out so that you can recline back. So one thing that is really nice about this one is these casters. So this has the roller skate casters that you normally have to pay extra for, but this is actually a double roller skate caster. I do appreciate these nice tall armrests. I'm used to having my arms like hanging down back here. I am 6'3". This thing is nice and tall for me. I can easily relax in this chair. Most chairs, if I try to lean back even this much, I just feel like the thing is going to topple over on me. But on this one, I actually have to put a little effort into that to recline, and that is excellent. Quite often on chairs like this, for whatever reason, the mechanism feels like it wants to lean back and to the right. I definitely do not feel that in this chair. This feels like a very sturdy chair. So yeah, if you're a big boy like me, this is going to be a great option.